Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to upload a file to shared Google Drive folder and how we can do this. So let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have opened a Google Chrome and make sure that it's signed in over here. So over here, as you can see, I have already signed in. The next one is you have to click on this one over here and directly go to the drive. So this is my drive over here. So if someone already shared any kind of files to me, for example any photos or anything, if you wanted to locate these kind of access or find all kind of details, then what you need to do is I have to go over here, click on share it with me, which means here all kind of details are shared to me as well from the opposite person. So I can just view all kind of things. I can view the file. If it is a file, I can view it. If it is a photo, I can see it. And if it is a video, I can download it as well. Now over here, as you can see, and right now, if I wanted to make or if I wanted to add more files here, I can click on plus icon over here. Then I can add the files which I wanted to add it here, because this person have already given me an access to add it. For some users, when they try to add the documents from their end to here, this might be grayed out. The reason is this particular person hasn't given me the access. So that is the reason why this is not happening. But you can view all kind of documents shared by this particular person here, and you can do it, but you are not able to add it because he haven't given you an access. If that's the case, I'm going to show you how to create a new file upload. So to do so, you have to click on plus new icon and go for file upload. That is going to take you to this, and you can select any kind of random images, videos or files, anything. And for the time being, I'm going to select this one and I'm just going to open it over here. And right now, as you can see, this is how I've opened it here. So I'll cancel it once again. I'll go to the home, and what I'm trying to do is I'm just going to create a new one. So I have to click on the plus icon, go for new folder, and I'm going to give a name for this particular one. For example, sample for the video, and I'm just going to create it. So once I create a sample here, you can see this is a sample that I created. And if I wanted to click add someone, I need to click on the three-dot menu, and over here you can see there is an option to share. And we have organize option, so I'll click on the share and go for share. And right now here, I'm just going to invite the people. So if I wanted to add anyone, I'm just going to type their email ID here, and I'm just going to give an access to this particular person. So he will be receiving this kind of thing. If I wanted to send a message, I can send it. And also even I can set him as an editor, viewer or commenter. So the editor can organize, add and edit files. The commenter can only see it, as the viewer can only see it as well. So I'll keep him as an editor and go for send. And right now, this particular person is going to receive an email notifications where he can join this particular drive and he can make it. And also there is few more thing. You have to click on the three dot over here and go to share, and you can go for share over here. And right now it says restricted, which means only the people with access can open this link. So if you wanted to change it, only these two people can view this link and join in this and can view the files and make the necessary changes. If you wanted to change into someone, I have to click on this one and go over here for anyone with link. So what happens is when I set this up, when I send the copy link or the link to copy to someone, then anyone can view this entire over here, and this is how they can do this. And also apart from this, you can invite them and you can add them here. And if you add any kind of, for example, I'm just going to add an image here. So if I add it over here, we'll be able to see this. So I'm just going to keep both image over here like this. So this will be already added here like this. Once the image is added, the two persons opposite to me can watch this. They can view this and do all kind of things. So this is how we can upload a file to a shared Google Drive folder, and this is how we can do this. So this is what I created one, and if you wanted to add to any existing shared over here, you have to go to the plus icon here, go to the go to the plus and go to the file upload, and from here you can add the document, so it will be added here. So you can just go for upload and that will be added here, and both the person can view this, and this is what you have to do. If you don't have an access to add the file, which means the opposite person have to give an access, so we have to talk to them and they will give you the access. That's it. Bye.